Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm headed to Target to do a very small grocery haul. We're mostly working with what we have tonight, and I think we're going to go to Sprouts tomorrow to get some of the proteins that we like. But I want to get stuff for this protein pudding that I've been having. It is the best thing. It's so freaking good. It's chocolatey. It's so rich. It's like 20 grams of protein. And it's so freaking good. So we're going to get stuff for that. That's mostly the reason for the trip. I'm also going to get some cheese because we're going to do some little pizzas tonight. And we pretty much have everything on hand. We're really trying to use up stuff in the freezer, stuff in the fridge, stuff in the pantry. And we have some pizza crust in the freezer. And we did some cottage cheese pizza earlier in the week. Cottage cheese crust pizza. So we still have pepperoni, mozzarella balls, and marinara to use up. So we're going to go ahead and do like normal crust pizza with what's in the freezer. I think I'm gonna get, what else? I don't know. There's something else on the list, but we're gonna go get some healthy groceries. I'm gonna share some meals that we've been eating lately. I had a really good lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and share that footage right now. It was like a buffalo chicken cottage cheese bowl. Life-changing. The macros are insane. It literally felt like I was eating, like, it doesn't seem like a low-carb meal, if that makes sense, and I'm not low-carb at all. It just happens to not really have any carbs, but it's cottage cheese, chicken, buffalo sauce, and I added pickles. Like 360 calories, 60 grams of protein. 60. Amazing. So, anyways, probably gonna get some more cottage cheese because I think I only have half a container left now. And I will be eating that again. I've also seen one where they do marinara, which sounds interesting, sort of like pizza bowl style. So I'm definitely going to experiment more, but I'll show you my lunch right now, and then we'll jump into a little grocery haul, mini grocery haul. Okay, I'm going to try, I don't know if it's viral, but I saw this on TikTok. Cottage cheese bowl with chicken, buffalo sauce. I'm going to add pickles. She does heat up her bowl with the cottage cheese once it's like all put together. I think she adds cheese. I'm going to try it. She said she just didn't want the hot and cold. I don't know. Something about the hot cottage cheese is weirding me out. So I'm going to try it with cold cottage cheese. And if I feel like it needs to be warmed up, we'll warm it up. But this is the Tyson blackened tenders. Gonna drizzle that over the top, and then the pickles, there we go, and then we're gonna add, ignore stuff, we've got a lot going on. Morgan's having burgers, I'm cleaning out the pantry with not just expired, but like very years beyond expired, like they've all just been sitting there literally since we moved in. That's crazy. But we're going to add some of the red hot wing sauce from Frank's. And I'm wondering if I'm going to want a little Bolthouse Farms ranch on this. I don't know if that's weird or not. But good amount of buffalo. And that is my high protein lunch today. Okay, home from Target in no particular order. I will preface this just because there's always somebody in the comments. There is a lot of processed items going on here, but this is not our main grocery haul. This is like my sub grocery haul. So we're getting all of our fruits and vegetables, proteins from Sprouts. We've just been preferring it from there. They have the brands that we like. I like the produce from there, especially versus like Target produce. And we're going there tomorrow. We tried to get everything at Costco today, and it just was not hitting for us. Like, they didn't have really what we wanted, so we literally left. So let me show you what we got. I'm restocking my Tyson blackened chicken strips. These are so good. They're not breaded. They're so super seasoned, delicious. I always have these on hand, and I just ate the last serving and like threw my bag away this afternoon, so had to restock immediately. I got some reduced fat mozzarella for our pizzas tonight. Really, I got the reduced fat because it had better protein, just like macros overall. 70 calories, 8 protein per 1/4 cup. So got that. I did get 2 Chobani vanilla Greek yogurts. I didn't get the zero ones because I don't like those. I don't know. I just think from Chobani, I'm not into their zero sugar stuff. It's kind of nasty. So I like these. I'm going to add some PB2 and use it for an apple dip. So it'll be like a peanut butter yogurt apple dip, obviously. I got the Good Culture cottage cheese. I'm like not really a cottage cheese snob. I know a lot of people like will only buy Good Culture. I bought that at Target, but at Sprouts I just buy the store brand. At Trader Joe's I buy the store brand. I don't know why I didn't buy the Target store brand. I think because they were pretty comparable prices, I just thought I'd get the Good Culture. But I did grab that. Okay, I got a lot of protein shakes, which is definitely where the bulk of the cost came from. I really should probably buy these on Amazon or something to make it cheaper, but I got 3, I think, yeah, 3 of the Core Power Elite chocolate protein shakes, 42 grams of protein. I mix those with, so 1 protein shake mixed with 1 entire box of the zero sugar chocolate fudge pudding mix. It has to be the instant one. So freaking good. And this makes 2 servings. So each serving is 21 grams of protein. And I want to say it's about like 190 calories, maybe somewhere in that realm, but it's 21 grams of protein. Such a delicious dessert, so rich, so filling. The protein fills you up. It's awesome. And then I got 1 of the Core Power Elite vanilla because they only had 1 in vanilla left. Bummer. This is for my coffees in the morning, so I'm gonna do half a shake with my instant coffee and a little bit of almond milk, and then I'll do the same with just their regular protein shake. This one just has way less protein, but it's still 26 grams, which will get me 13 grams just in my coffee, and that's still a win. They also taste exactly the same, in my opinion. And then I got a couple drink enhancers. I've been really relying on the Cokes. I will always be a Coke Zero girly or like a diet soda girly in general, but I'm really trying to limit to 1 and some days even 0. So I got us some drink enhancers. For me, I got strawberry lemonade, the True Lemon one. Just thought this would be good with regular water or carbonated water. And then for Morgan, I got the fruit punch. I hope he likes this one. I know he likes the black cherry, but they didn't have that. But yeah, I picked that one up for him. I got literally 4 boxes of the Jell-O, and I wanted to get 4 of the chocolate things, but there was like a guy, I don't know, he like worked there, I guess, but pulled up right behind me, and like as I was grabbing them, just like stood behind me, and I was like, okay, I'm walking away. Like it just felt so awkward. So I hurried myself along, but that's okay. We'll pick up another one in the week if we need it. I'm not sure that we'll go through an entire one each night. It just depends on how much Morgan eats or if Morgan has any at all. I did get an Aquaphor. I just keep this by my bedside, and I've been squeezing the end of it every single night. So like, girl, just get a new one. It's had its moment. And then I also saw this, which was right next to the protein shakes, and I thought Morgan might be interested. I haven't seen this. I don't know if he has, but it's the Liquid Death Dead Billionaire. It's tea, lemonade, agave, and vitamins. So it's sort of like an Arnold Palmer situation. So I'm gonna go show him that here in a minute. And then I also just restocked some carbonated water. This is probably my favorite right now. The Polar brand is my favorite. This is the cranberry lime, super good, but all of their flavors are really good. I don't know why, but I much prefer these to LaCroix. I'm not sure why, but I just do. I also think they might be cheaper. And then I got some new batteries for our food scale because we're really trying to hit that protein goal, both of us. So that is everything I got, and I'm gonna put everything away. Okay, so we're gonna whip up this little dessert. So super easy. I'm honestly so excited to eat this tonight. We didn't have any last night, and I was bummed about it. Let me just say that. The entire shake. And then the entire package. And then you just start whisking. You do have to whisk it for a couple of minutes. Wait until it gets, you know, thick. It's an instant pudding, so it's gonna thicken up because of that. But it'll be, you know, pudding thickness. Then I put it in the fridge and it thickens up even more. Oh, it's so good. It's sort of a cross between like a pudding and a mousse, I would say. But yeah, just give it a good whisk. Okay, I'm also gonna do some pancake muffins. So I'm doing pancake and waffle mix, just add water. I'm gonna do 3 cups, I think. I don't wanna overdo it, but I'm not really sure. Okay, I'm gonna start with 2. Okay. Adding the water. Oh, I need to do, okay. I have my ratio off. I added too much water. So I'm gonna do another half cup of the mix. Okay. There we go. I should have done a cup and a half of water. That was my bad. And I'm gonna serve these with some sausage links and obviously my protein coffee, which should get me close to 30 grams of protein for breakfast. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this whole berry medley. I'm just gonna do like a couple. So these are the breakfast sausages. They're the Amy Lou chicken breakfast links. 12 grams of protein, 130 calories, and I believe that's for 3 links. Yes, so 3 links, 130, 12 protein. Love that. And I always just keep these in the freezer because it comes with, there's like a whole other package that we already went through, and it's hard to get through these. And I'm not going to cook these. I'm just gonna let them defrost in the fridge overnight, and then they'll be heated in the microwave whenever I heat the pancake muffins. These turned out so stinking cute. I feel like they look like tie-dye. Okay, we're getting dinner going. If you can hear YouTube in the back, apologies. This is a pound of ground bison, actually. So we're giving this a try. Morgan has been eating a lot of, I would say sort of like animal-based, like lots of meat and eggs and fruits and stuff like that. He does eat a little bit of carbs on the weekend, so we're actually gonna make pizzas, but we need to get this eaten, so we're gonna put it on the pizzas. We also have some pepperoni, and we have some flatbreads we're using up from the freezer. So we have these from my bachelorette that we didn't get to, so I just threw them in the freezer when we got home. Brooklyn bread, we have a thin crust. And we also have this one, which is traditional pizza. So I'm gonna get both of these out, see which one Morgan prefers. And we're gonna use, where's the marinara? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, duh. Okay, marinara. I got some cheese today at Target. This is the leftover pepperoni, and we have some little mozzarella balls as well. So let me get out all of that. All right, pizzas just came out. They're looking so delicious. I baked them about 5 minutes and then put the broil on for about 3 minutes. The crust is getting crispy, topped it with a little oregano.